Hey guys, I've gotten a lot of requests for help on this one, so I'm going to try and show you how to work through this problem with fractions in it. There are fractions on the quiz. They aren't as bad as this, but I wanted you guys to have some practice with fractions before you take the quiz. So the first thing I'm going to do, remember your steps to solving a multi-step equation. You're going to start by distributing. You're going to combine like terms and then sad Meg. So let's start by distributing this fraction. We're going to distribute negative 4 over 3 times negative 3 over 2, x, negative 4 over 3 times positive 1. Let's use Desmos. If we're struggling with fractions, let's use Desmos to find out what negative 4 over 3 times negative 3 over 2 is. So I have negative 4 divided by 3. I'm going to use the right arrow key to navigate out of that. Here's my times button. And I had negative, was it 3 over 2? Don't you love when I can't remember? Negative 3 over 2. 3 divided by 2, which is 2. So that's really not as bad probably as some of you thought it was. That's why I encourage you to use the calculator if you really struggle with fractions. So you have negative 2x. Any number times 1 is itself, oh sorry, positive 2x. I would have already messed that up because a negative times a negative is a positive. Any number times 1 is itself, so you have negative 4 over 3. Okay, this negative sign here is just a negative 1, so we can distribute this into everything in here and just change the signs of everything in there. Negative 1 over 3x minus 1 equals negative 4. Now, the denominators I have here are really not that bad. They match. Both are 3's. So the easiest way to eliminate all these fractions is to multiply everything in here times 3. And you'll see that the reason I chose 3 is that this is going to get rid of these fractions. Just watch. 3 times 2 is 6x. 3 times negative 4 over 3 is negative 4. And again, if you don't believe me, you can check Desmos on that one. 3 times negative 1/3 is negative 1, and you have an x here, so x. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3, and 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Now we have gotten rid of the fractions, we've distributed, we have not combined like terms yet. So let's look for all the x's. And here they are, we're looking at just the coefficients. So I have 6 minus 1, which is 5x. I've got two constants here, negative 4 and negative 3, so minus 7 is equal to negative 12. I'm going to undo. Let's see if I can get this to scroll. It's not going to want to cooperate with me. The addition and subtraction first. So I see subtraction, I do addition. What I do on the left, I do on the right. I have 5x equals negative 5. I see multiplication. I do division. And I'm left with 1x equals negative 1. And any number times 1 is itself. So x is equal to negative 1. And I'm going to open the key in Google Classroom and just double check that that's right. So I found the key and I'm going to go to number 18. And ta-da! It's negative 1. Okay, thanks for watching.